isheshisa yonke lento yenzeke ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma futhi kunamabhilidi esingeze umemezelo ungena kuwo sibadla bafa lafana i-police station ibizwa kuthiwa i-national key point ngoba iyona ukuvikela umphakathi futhi okwesibili isigaba esiqala kwezokulawulwa kwezwe iyahlonipheka kakhulu bafethu sithi ukuthele sinje kodwa futhi asiyimukeli impendulo inhloso yakithi izogqisha khona la bese ngena bambalwa emithingini sithole ukuthi impendulo zithini impendulo manje ngabe siyasidulisi bafana bakithi okusho ukuthi seyiphosela njoba silapha nje iy'nduna zethu zala uveni nalapha ejipi obabukhabazela nala njalo Hillbrow kubalulekile ukuthi bafethu njengoba ngangishilo ukuthi asikabe sisahlola sibe into eyodwa ngabomusha okunye seqisa amehlo uhle kumuntu omdala ehlele kahle noma sikubona ukuthi kuyaphuma isandla ukuthi seqisa amehlo ukuthi insizwa zisho khona la siqhubeke zihaye siphathe ngoba ukuphatha lokho enikwenzayo amaphoyisa wakhululeka yikho into ezobonakala usinga amaphoyisa awalazi usinga azi umthetho ngakho-ke usinga okubalulekile ukuthi ithimbe limbalwa singene ngaphakathi silalele kumasteshi ukuthi usibizeleni uphendula uthini ey'nkingeni zama-drugs namakwelekwele lawa angafuni ukuhamba namabhilidi lawa engabadliwa yithi Usiyaqosha amaphoyisa amangaki agwazelwayo. Ayihlale phansi ibanga umthetho yakhala manje.
Namula Nkosi lapho. Okay, se-boardroom ese-4th floor.
Malaka, 4th floor number 5.
4.
Akunacala.
Wensizwa ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma
kanjani
semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani
Ukhuluma kanjani
semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani
Ukhuluma kanjani
semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani. Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje. Ukhuluma kanjani. Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje. Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Ukhuluma kanjani semanxeba senje.
Ukhuluma kanjani.
Bambi.
These are part of the leaders that are supposed to be here. Njani baholi?
Siyathobe kakhulu bathonishwa.
Asibonge ukuthi khona baholi. Besisendleleni besingakafiki emakhaya. But here, let's allow them because they are here. So I don't know, you are comfortable. These are your true citizens of your country.
No.
They are not here to slaughter you. They
I
are here to make sure that the country is fixed.
Mutual, yeah,
All right.
Nadosibhekele kakhulu sazana.
Nami ngiyakwazi nje.
Nawe ngiyakwazi ukuthi asakithi most yabo ngiyakwazi. But angazi, let's talk about media. Remember Safasa, the media mhlambe base sizonikeza i-solution then. It's where we can talk. It's Disney. Angazi.
Okay. I think you are not free for you to be publicized.
No.
The discussion, Mina, I feel good for the transparency. We can allow them to take.
Yes.
Because we are hiding nothing for the country.
No,
So I don't see anybody. It's the same as
isaidleni ukuthi lenjani
I think I know.
ngendaba everything.
Ayikho imfihlo nje.
Ngoba Brigadier,
I know. Yeah, I know you.
ngoba Brigadier, ngizama ukusho lokho ekugcineni. It's a very same thing when we come with present the memorandum. You are already being visualized. As we are trained, let me tell you the truth. So there is no need for you anymore to we've been training for years. So I would say for the transparency and the process so that everybody should be free, even when this matter goes out.
Okay.
People have got an evidence with what was discussed in the meeting. So I say, let me carry on, let it be record, so that Naxasa, SIB, and the evidence that on this particular day, these are the discussions, this is what transpired, these are the conclusions and the resolution that was taken on that particular day.
Singandula kule ama-drugs akithi.
Yeah, I think sizakule yokugcina ilona. Angithi we were busy on the background concern raised by the citizens. So sizakule issues of police facilities now.
Ukhenela sakhuluma.
I was still on the platform. I was still on the platform. So remember, our members, bayahamba bayo arrest these people, and then drugs siyawathatha siwabeke ku-SAP 13, and from there siwathatha siwayise e-forensic science laboratory. Now, what is happening currently, ukuthi kulawa ama-drugs, forensic science laboratory abafuni uku-assessa, uku-analyze those drugs. Somebody spoken about ukuthi utshintsha igraph and then vim or something like that.
Trust me.
So now, what is happening at forensic science laboratory, they don't want to analyze those drugs if they comes in smaller amounts. Bafuna ukuthi they must come in how do I put it? In bulks, yes. Because like now, what they're saying, remember, kunaba people that are dealing, ama-dealers for horn, bafuna ama-drugs cartels, lawa ama-dealers ukuthi, if then they come in bulks, is whereby then they can analyze. If they coming in smaller pieces, what they're doing, they're just destroying. So now, I want to come back to where you were saying, maybe sometimes they can go to forensic science laboratory and they change it to become a vim or whatever that thing. Then it goes back again to the street. So it's like, it goes around in circle like this. So now, if forensic science laboratory doesn't want to analyze those drugs, it's gonna be a problem. Because like now, they're saying they want them in big bags. So now, again, we can't get the hold of the drug dealers. Mina, I came here. Mina, but then I couldn't understand because of previously when I came here, I was from what is it? FCS. Then dealing abantwana and everything, cases of abantwana. Then then they put me under this group. But then I was just hearing yes, here in Hebrew they do have those drug dealers. But now presently I've just heard those people they moved, they are operating in Sandton. So where in Sandton nobody knows, nobody wants to tell anything about it. So now it's a problem on its own. If then these drug people or drugs, when we get them or our members are out there to go and effect arrest on those who are dealing in drugs or selling the drugs, it's going to be a problem. Yes, we do arrest, they go to FSL, they're not being analyzed because of their of small quantity. So what they're doing is like court, case, they withdraw the cases. So now it's a win and losing battle. This is going to be a problem in drugs.
Yeah, let me give she responded from the question that I was asked, ladies and gentlemen. My point was, we got a problem of the drugs where you find that the police arrest the person with the drugs, and then drugs taken to the police station, they keep those drugs wherever they kept for the investigation. Waiting for the process of laboratory. You find that maybe another member, this can be member from forensic or the member from the SAPS, change the drugs. Maybe if it's a powder, just put the flour instead of that powder, so that they will take the drugs back to the school, back to the street again. So now my concern and the question it was, what can stop the police to, if they get the drugs, to destroy them right on the spot because of these drugs, it's end up go back to the street and kill our children again. So now the response says if they can follow that, my suggestion or my opinion, it will be problematic when the evidence will be missed. So that is why now she was trying to articulate that position, what transpired on the issue of the drugs. Thank you.
No, like as Jovan Kazil, the issue of drugs is even deep. Where we can see what is happening nationally. We've got bigger people that modus operandi are. They are alleged as officials that making these drugs to be as much as it is in our country. Much as I also said, we must so figure kuma implementation, that's where I'll give my input. How do we minimize drugs? Because if you look at the issue of drugs, it's all over the world. Most countries, they generate their revenues through selling drugs. You go in Mexico, you go in Colombia, you go in other countries. So it's an issue on its own that needs a determination as South African, how do we stop drugs? And the only way to stop it is through our buyer. We must kill the buyer so that the seller cannot no longer have customers. Because for an example, I want to make it a practical example. You have a shop and there are low shop access abantu bazothenga. Usazo continue thengisa.
Yeah.
So much in our implementation of the strategies, we need to also include our social development with these boys about where they drop in. We need to go assist our young men. They are true South African, they are leaders of tomorrow. We need to go assist those, take them out from that area. Because those sellers, because they keep coming back. So it's a complex issue on its own. What if ukujula yonke lenking esinala and ngithande amazwi ukuthi la iHillbrow you must be a pilot project in all issues to show other stations ukuthi singayinqoba kanjani lento le ngoba ngeke sifinyelele kwezinye indawo, but if thina siyenza an example la ukuthi na indlela siyiwine ngale ndlela bazozala bazobuza ukuthi ninqobe kanjani. And then our strategies are cornered there within ourselves. There's ideas here. We've got leaders who happens to be police before they becoming police. We've got leaders that are police not being in the side, in a what you call in a uniform. La, Snama police are here. You understand? That can help to assist in changing the status quo of say Hillbrow. Because in Joburg, it's been like this for many years. And we need to change it. And they're taking advantages because of us, we are not united from within the police. So that is why when we said Maslangana, Sati as in cocaine, the only way to change the top is us getting together. On the ground, they must see Maslangana, then they will be shaken. With the ground, it's united. So we must change. No maganjan. Yeah, but so there will be obvious some strategies and implementation in terms of how can we minimize the drugs to be sold in town or anywhere, because the drugs it's a global issue all over the world. So we need to find a way. So how can we stop this thing not to escalate further?
No, thank you. Okay, Dunya.
Obahlonishwa ngicela ukubingelela baphathi sondela nje ngapha ngibingelele bahlonishwa nenduna awungeke ngihlale lapha angeni ngihlonishwa nomuntu phatha ngicela ukwenza important. Thank you very much to all the leaders that have make sure ukuthi namhlanje kuyahlangana futhi kwesibili no station manager we police station ucommander wakhona his presence and to accept our complaints and also not to accept, to respond to our complaints, because now we are in a decision status. We are no longer interested in turning we will be marching forever. And the sitting I would squeeze solutions. Even today march was a demonstration we are celebrating the prayer I see as being on the street is now giving result, and we admire you as a leader of the station here in April ukuthi nabahlonishwa bonke bakhona nikwazi ukuthi lithathe initiative and respond to support my brothers here that have just put a very important points in terms of laws and regulations that you are working under and other oath as well, and you work with small things and that tiny things that delay things that you can see which lento wrong kodwa ungakwazi respond here ngenxa yokuthi usaphula le mthetho. Thina siyakwazi ukugibela ebhilidini siwakhiphe ngqo ama-drugs without a warrant of warrant of search. You go and acquire the warrant of search, you give the criminal an opportunity to resolve the problem. We don't give an opportunity to the criminals to resolve the problem. We just enter and prove which there is a problem. So as my fellow brothers have expressed, I support the idea that when you find drugs, expose them to the society and then destroy them, because simultaneously they will go back to the public, because you are also a head of a station, a police station like Hebrew, but you are not only leading police officers, you are also leading criminals that are in the police uniform. That is the biggest challenge we have. So if my brothers here are proposing the idea to kill the market, and then the seller will have no option. They want to kill the market. When you take all these people that have been using drugs, that are surviving on drugs, and then you destroy the market, the seller will be frustrated. There will be no longer revenue, and as other countries, Ecuador and Mexico and everywhere in the world, there's no country that is zero, is drugs-free in the world right now. It proves that is the #1 a criminal business. If they remain and succeed and being manufactured, it proves beyond reasonable doubt that it's very hard to sweep all that nonsense with what broom. So as we are standing here today, it may be a historical moment that the station commander and all the leaders of police station in Gauteng, especially here in Hebrew, if the Hebrew can change now, the whole South Africa will change. And I can promise you, my leader, if you can take a noble decision saying that can we all hold our hands together with this Induna, with all the leaders of the society, and all together, weekly, we clean the Hebrew in terms of drugs cartels, in terms of drugs active on the ground, and in terms of rehabilitating those that have been using drugs, you will see the change in the whole South Africa. As I've said that I was in Clermont, where they've looted shops for foreign nationals. I've said I'm gonna sit here, and I want to see the change happening here in Clermont, so that when the people of Clermont take over spaza shops and containers, so it can exemplary to the whole South Africa that it can happen. Because when you keep on moving point to point, marching, never will help us. No, we can't be stupid. We are not here to collapse economy. We are not here. We want the change. The change must begin now. We have demanded the attention. The purpose of marching is to demand the attention to you as our leaders. Now we got attention. What are we marching for? Now we are waiting for the result and the implementation. Things must happen now.
No, because maybe sometimes you need to understand which this thing went simultaneously. The intensity of march has played a significant role. While we're on the ground on action, there must be people intensifying the program. And putting pressure through those intensity, it makes us to work. You understand? There are things that we cannot stop not taking place. People will be doing it. Even we make a decision to deny summer, but others will keep on doing that. So they are working simultaneously. Tina says funamande in action. While others are still doing this, intensifying the program to say there must be an action, Tina, like he mentioned leader here, to say Hillbrow, like Induna. I like the fact that that point was even raised by Induna himself. Magati, we must be a pilot project of showing other areas how best we can change the status quo. You understand? He also mentioned to say, the drugs are all over the world, but what other plans that we can do, Tina, to minimize them from being escalated in La Hillbrow or Gobuyubhla? We must make an example. Because he mentioned about the frustration of the buyer. The buyer, when he's no longer having, the seller is no longer having buyers, he's going to have to go somewhere. Then when he goes there, we go there and implement the same strategy. He's going to be more frustrated. They will end up not having business. Because they're having business because they still have people to buy. So we need to look at that. I think Masizo implementation of strategies, where we're going to need the social development as well, to be part in helping our children to be rehabilitated and put them in the sector, where after they are rehabilitated, we take them in a place where they get a job. They must not go back there and relapse. You understand? I think there is a snap I must figure out. But other than that, leader, it was very significant women corner because I think your ideas and inputs were going to work. But I think Tina Mescola says I bomb.
No, we trust you. We trust you. And we can't be only in one place at once. In the Sifuna is to make an example of Hillbrow can be a new world. Because all over the world they know, even people that are still visionary to go and sell drugs in South Africa, they know that where to land is in Hillbrow.
Because in we are talking the law. When we talk about the Drug and Drug Trafficking Act number 140 of 1992, that prohibits anybody that manufacture or sell the drugs. It's supposed that it should have been done, but people ignore those laws. So as we are doing, we are enforcing those laws. By enforcing that, then we become practical, working together to make sure with that law, it does what it's supposed to be done.
Thanks. Welcome everyone. Right now, welcome. Then we are having an attendance register. It will be circulated. Then we are having the secretaries busy taking the names to the site. Then Sebambi. sibambile sonke usithole sivumelana ukuthi siyavuka. And then we did iron this thing about drugs that we got about the drugs we are winning. Our crime of drugs around Hillbrow is green, but we are still having a lot of drugs around Hillbrow. But working hand in hand with you, we are going to win Hillbrow. Hillbrow is going to be green like before. Then can we move to misuse of police facilities?
Yeah, that's where we are now.
Okay. The public station itself is reportedly being used as base for corrupt, illegally and unethical activities by officers, including senior leaders. Leadership. Yeah. This allegation is left unaddressed, erode public trust and compromise the integrity of the South African police services. When we come then, I see that weight alleged, but we did touch it again, that the police, in most cases, we find the illegals roaming around, all these things, where the corruption starts, all these things. Maybe we did touch it when we're busy elaborating what is happening around our members who are coming here, the illegals coming in and out when they are arrested. Meanwhile, our members from the our South Africans, they are not looked after when we do this. But I'm having a challenge when you see the allegations.
Yeah, no, it is silungise angithi phela
we are here to rectify
uyabona city allegation is alleged and it seems like I mentioned to say people are the eye of justice. People are the one that can correct the situation without you guys knowing. Hence, there are police officers who knows what is happening there, but they cannot go. But people are the one that the voice to help you out. That is why we are saying that working together with the communities, it will be much easier to combat the crime or so this misuse of police facilities, it refers back to all things as Kulumengazo. Like for an example, where we spoke about that building. Ukuthi abantu bakithi bakungenwa kuma building kubhekwa bona laba abokufika abangabhadala ama services abangenzi neko but treatwa so soft as if that they've got everything in our country, whereas thina esawulwela nomhlaba esayenza sure ukuthi South Africa become liberated and we come to a democratic dispensation, we are treated like we never actually fought for it. People who did not even participate, who were sitting there waiting for us to achieve our freedom, but it was so soft. This thing is referred to that, to some allegation as is kulumile. If ungaya le phezulu sikhuluma nangale nama recruitment practices and all that stuff, it actually wrap the background of concern issues that are raised by the Hillbrow citizens. These are the issues that we need to look, and then so some other police, they treating this police station as if it's their bedroom, as if it's their house, it's their kitchen. You understand? They forget what the police station belongs to the people. It must give service to the people, not themselves or their families. So I think ibuyela lapho ke is correct acting lapho background yethu. So into esingayibheka manje ukuthi now that we already touched the issues that are very important, now we need to go to the demand. With the demand, yizo lezi ezosileader, as we said, basivumelana yilo manje usinikeza umhlahlandlela wethu manje. But now, because our first demand was the joint operation to fix what, then iqala nini kwenzakalani, who is needed, so that we can be on the ground, because we've got no time. And as we have mentioned, why I'm saying we've got no time, Joburg, it's the most corrupt, dirty area that it should have been long fixed. If singayilungisi manje, it's going to collapse le dolobha leli. It's going to collapse, I'm telling you. Because if you can look, ama building amanye ayasha, asaza shiswa bubani. Maybe the khona abantu abashisa people so that when even after they left, they must leave us with an infrastructure engasasebenzi. Esingeke sihlale kuyo, angithi sikhalela ukuthi lama building must be revert back to the people of this country or converted into RDPs. It can be possible somebody coming from ability. I'm not saying it's like that, but the analysis single totally nobody says single benefit anything. So we need to act faster to protect the sovereignty of this Joburg or the entire country. So now I think we need to go there so that Sihlangane Zinkokeli would now from here where to. And just to inform everybody about Figal, the station commander said he was honoring us because of the memorandum that we have dropped. But there are other meetings that is happening which Nenduna, Corners Field, Nabu, Home Affairs, JPC and other department at Brixton.
Yeah.
But we said Tina, we want to be an example to them so that must figure Gubo. Sibabonis with the night Tina si Nina we are too late.
Yeah.
Whatever ideas any now and we implement, can you incorporate with us? Tina as abahlali bala sizolungisa laqala. Siqhubeke nani uya phambili. Angisivumelana kanjalo Nduna. Yebo. So here again, now I think we need to come to a program of action now. We've deliberated, Seskulumile is enough now. Now we need to go to the memorandum of demand where if the item number 1, if Bangipega, it is joint operation, maybe you can lead us from there because we need to respond. We would now from here, because our demand is that Hillbrow Police Station must invite the immigration officer and the Department of Home Affairs to conduct a joint operation enforcing the Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 against undocumented foreign nationals. So which is, I said, must vola lumhlangati, illegal immigrant, it's an administrative issue. It cannot only be done by you because you needed those people to perform their section 205. And then deportation may be called. How do we take those people out? And then Tina, as a community, Masiagu, the last item, that's where we come to say, how can we assist? Now, since the show, if Mela deport immediately, or if there is a particular period of time, Mela deport, see observe, so that we can be the testimony to the people. To say, because what happened is that, who this thing? People are getting arrested, but we don't see them going back. We don't see them moving anywhere. We see people on TV, Baba Fagema passing, Utba Penelefi, Asas, in our Sponis Mabahula Lapian. You mentioned it imported, border. That we still have a problem of the borders, which they still needs to be improved. We need to invest in our country to make it whole. Even a whole bond. Because these people are very brave because they can pass through the river. So that is something that we can develop as a country, as citizens of this country, come up with ideas which is our protector. So I think now, Brigadier, you need to take us through now. Now from item number 1, how do you work together, including the community leaders and other donors and other services that is needed here?
Okay, thank you. As he did alluded that there are meetings sitting there at Brixton with the generals, the metro, all district department to make a joint operation, because this thing of march and march is affecting all of us South Africans. But I'm glad because Hillbrow is going to be number 1 to deal with it. Then after that we are going to invite them to come here to Hillbrow. Then we organize an operation. On that operation, I won't take all of you, but I will just take the leaders, so that they can be around when we do our operation, so that we can eliminate this thing of undocumented people, and Home Affairs will be there. All the stakeholders will be there to attend this. But you, as our ears, we are going to deal with this, so that we can do all of these things. Maybe anyone can comment.
Maybe can I?
No,
Oh,
I was taking from the management. Okay, we are fine.
Yeah, maybe.
Equally!
umile. Ja, maar toch aan het Balkippen.
Ambekahle kakhulu. Uhamba kahle kwe-meeting. Umphathi siteshi wase-Hipro uthatha isinqumo sokusebenza nathi siwumphakathi ukuthi fusaki indaba yamakolokolo nama-drugs. Wathi ufuna ukuyisheshisa yonke lento yenzeke ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma futhi kunamabhilidi esingeze umemezela ukungena kuwo sibadla bafa labafakazi. Ngoba umphathi station ayuphethwe uzobikela ucommissioner wamaphoyisa eGauteng aphinde abikele ubaba uPanyaza ukuthi ngomhla ka5 sonke sobe semhlanganweni wokuthi sithi siyaphi ngaliphi usuku nganini i-operation lethu i-operation ngomhla ka5 sine-meeting emveni kwe-meeting siqala i-operation ngalo lelo langa. Njengamanje indaba yokumasha ongenamphumela ufuseke leyo nto. Into ebalulekile nasi imphumela manje njengamanje siyenza ama-meeting nawo ufuseke. Ngaphezu kwethu ngomhla ka5 siyahlangana la kuyo le police station uzobe kukhona ucommissioner uzobe kukhona uPanyaza emvana kwalakho siyaphuma sigqola inkalo siyasebenza bafana. Uhulumeni namaphoyisa bengagijimi ukulungisa le nkinga sogcina sesilimazana sodwa. Bafethu uyacela basuka la siyiphathe kahle. Bafethu i-team ewinayo ayikhali ngey'nqumo ekaNobembe. Siyawina bafana bakithi. Sawina bafana sawina. Sawina bafana kwethu sibambe sicela ukuthi induna ebesinazo efuna ukubeka sibeke uhlelo lephambili.
abasalindile insuku zakithi ngcono siluqala njani ngcono sibela sibe sibhidla ingoma ngendlela yethu ngoba uma sesingene kanjani Hey,
Engane zakwethu. Sicela ukuxhela kancane please. Ungaphezulu kwakhe yena ungaphezulu kwakhe. Umphathi okhona ungaphezulu kwalo esize kuyena. Ungaphezulu kwakhe futhi yena uzonikezela kulo ngaphansi. Engane zakwethu sicela kuba nespace nyana sophefumuleka ngoba manje isipida yokuma ayikho. Yeah. Nabe media babona ukusebenza. Nabe media babona ukusebenza. Hey, mama. Sicela ubuye ngapha ngaphakathi. Mama, sicela ubuye ngapha ngaphakathi. Mama, sicela ubuye ngapha ngaphakathi. Usiphi indawo ukusebenza? Sicela indawo ukusebenza. Funda nawe mfowethu. Sanibonani ngane zakwethu. Bengizocela sithi ukuthula kancane so that sizozwana. Ngoba masema meeting amaningi ngeke sizwane. Sicela nisiphi indlebe ngaphakathi nangaphandle. Cela abantu belalele. Sanibonani mphakathi. Sanibonani bantu baseklinikhi
ngicela lenkomisha ke zena.
Noma phambi kwenu namhlanje uVictor wamakhathini ngithule ubuholi becommunity. Futhi silethe imemorandum kumphathi weklinikhi abathu Esther bamazinga. Lana is not a debate. Azodebate naye ori asichaze. Sizofunda imemorandum simshiyele yona. Asiphi 7 days asiphenduke. Siyabonga. Ngizofunda imemorandum ingane zakwethu. Complaints. We want the clinic manager to be removed from the facilities. For these reasons, unfair treatment and discrimination. Basho ukuthi umphathi wale clinic unokuxwasa abasebenzi bakhe ngokohlanga nokolimi. Siqhubeke ngane zakwethu. Silalelane futhi. Bathi favoritism amongst the staff members. Bese kusho ukuthi ke umphathi unedlanzana lakhe iqoqwana lakhe alithandayo alipha treatment engcono kunabanye. Ubeke bathi elinye iphuzu lack of professionalism. Shuthi mabethu lack professionalism shuthi ngesinye isikhathi inqumo fanele ithathwe umholi weklinikhi fanele kube sezingeni eliphezulu lokuthi akasiyi umuntu nje umuntu oqeqeshekile. Masikhuluma ngeprofessionalism umuntu oqeqeshekile emsebenzini wakhe futhi engumholi. Baqhubeke abantu becommunity nabaseklinikhi istaff saseklinikhi sithi abusive manager. Mabethu abusive ke masibheka kushuthi nje uyahohisa nje yena. Ubafaka ngamakhanda nje. Ubalalela yena. Akabahloniphi. Akarisa. Lalelane-ke. Thulani, siqhubeka ngethi. Bese bethi victimization of staff members by the manager. Shuthi abavictimize abahlukumeza. Wena sisi. Kanti ubani oyinkinga?
Ukhuseka wena.
Ubani oyinkinga? Akavelela. Lalelani-ke la. Mane iziqhwanqhwangu ngabantu abangenandlebe engaqeqeshwanga sokucela nisukele niphume ngihambe nini. Asondela nani sikileni. Ungakithi impela kodwa mawusibhedele uyasibhedele suka la.
Awukhuzeke lapho uma kabawo.
Ningangiphazamisi. Please. Besithele number 7, victimization of staff members by the manager. Shuthi uyabenza noma yini uyabagudluza efake emabondeni eze noma yini afuna benze ngoba unalamandla ukuthi umphathi. Awukwazi ukuhlukumeza umsebenzi umphathi. Umphathi uma umphathi uhlala nomsebenzi nibonisane umtshela ama-orders. Uma mfaka itshentameni. Lalelani-ke nina engihamba nani akusiyo yini le memorandum. Akusiye yini anjoba ngumsindo nigcine ningezwani ukuthi nizeleni la. Please ne inhlonipho ihamba phambili ngani zakwethu noma sikwatile kodwa ubuntu sinabo sinza lokaZulu safundisa inhlonipho emakhaya ngani zakwethu siyabonga. Bese bethi South African first in our facilities. Masithi South African first la phakathi eclinic. Sisho ukuthi sifuna ukuseva impilo zabantu bakithi kuqala. Ukunesihambi esofika la sidelele sizenzela umathanda ngoba kunegunya elithile eliphiwe lapha kade. Owala eSouth Africa akafanele afike eclinic ingayithola imedication ngoba phela umuntu othizeni ongenamaphepha uyithathile imedication wahamba nayo. Sezwana ngani zakwethu siqede bathi umphathi favoring foreigner national over South Africans by manager. Basebethi abahlali nabasebenzi bekliniki we had enough. She must go because she does not want to comply and respect the facilities and respect the employees. Ngoba umphathi clinic uyi-umbrella yabasebenzi bonke abangaphansi kwekliniki uyiso labo nomvikeli wabo. So yena mebacindazele balahlela ngaphandle ukuthi ababelekele kubani na. Amen. Siqede. Eyokugcina le ngane zakwethu. Lezo babhlungu. Ngoba siza kuma staff members ke manje. To the staff members, we urge the staff members of the clinic not to offer any medical services to the foreign national who does not have clinic cards or valid documents. Further, to avoid the scenario that happened with the staff member that was arrested unnecessary. Umusa womhlengikazi or remember yeclinic eyawenza ngokunikeza umuntu medication engaphathanga ama-document aphelele ikhadi bekufanele ngabe waxoshwa kwathiwa hamba ulanda ikhadi ubuye usizakala kodwa ngenxa yomusa intombi ethile yayithola isengcuphekweni yayithola iseselini ngomusa wama-South Africans. So ingane zakwethu nestaff ke siyacela nani ni-comply neclinic. Ningathi ngoba umphakathi usufikile ke wasimela nathi ke sesozenzela umathanda. Sikhumbule phela kusemsebenzini la kunama orders kunomthetho weclinic. So nani ke basebenzi nizabe futhi ukuziphatha kahle. Siyabonga socela ozosayinela imemorandum athathe icopy yakhe uyositshela ke sesifonela ukuthi ubuya nini kithi. Siyabonga bese kuzelela iclinic isiqedile kodwa socela ibandla lithi gozololo kancane umphathi esayina imemorandum. Siyabonga ngani zakwethu. Ngani zakwethu umphathi clinic ongaphansi kababa owala ekhaya. Kubuya kuphi? Lalelani ngani zakwethu. Lalelani. Uyini? Umuntu omnyama. Dlamini. I-province asinendaba ezilayo. Hey madoda. Hey. Hey.
Umkhulu. Yakhala uDlovu uthi umsusa njalo. uDlovu yakukhombisa nabanye uthi ubheka lezi ngivezile. Okay, ngiyabona.
Sebonile futhi.
Awu, uyangitshela ukuthi ubheke lo muntu ngathi usakhulu. Uthi kade umtrendisi.